Hi, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today I want to talk to you about AI automation agencies. Let's dive in. An AI automation agency, is this really a thing? Is this something that we're going to see moving forward? My team passed the term AI automation agency over to me a couple of days ago, and it got me thinking about where things are heading and what this is going to look like, and whether or not this is going to happen, and whether or not we're going to start seeing this service within agencies and marketers to be able to help implement AI across the board for all of our clients and help them transition from doing things manually and admin tasks and all that type of stuff to kind of automating a lot of it with AI. And to be honest with you, I don't think it's just a kind of hot topic. I think it's probably something that we're going to be seeing a lot more of, and it's going to stick around for a very long time. I mean, that's my prediction, right? And the reason I think it's going to be like that is because of what I'm seeing, my own agency doing, and the opportunities that I'm seeing to be able to help our clients and students of mine with AI and helping to sell AI, right? For those of you who don't know, I have a product called the Sales Android, and this helps businesses with their speed to lead and out of hours leads and database reactivation and all that type of stuff. So for example, if we're working with a solar company and they have a sales team that works from 9 till 6, they clock off at 6, and most of the leads usually come in out of working hours. And when they come in out of working hours, they don't get worked or called till the next morning, right? This is a huge problem that has been around in lead gen forever. But now with AI, we're able to converse with those leads outside of working hours and qualify them and book them into appointment, all that type of stuff. I mean, this is huge. It's going to change lead gen forever because the quality of the leads are going to go up when contact rate isn't an issue. Contact rate is the biggest issue in lead quality in lead gen. And trust me, we've done a lot of this type of stuff. So it's a big breakthrough, right? So we've taken this concept and we've sold it to clients, and they're just like lining up to buy it. So I know that we're in a really good place, and I know that this is something that the market really needs right now. But I've also got a program where it's called Rent Out Your Android, where I've got students that come in and I'm teaching them how to do what we're doing and sell this concept to their clients, right? And what I thought was that, this was just going to be helping with the speed to lead, right? And the stuff that the Sales Android does. But it's kind of morphing, right? Like Rent Out Your Android might not just be about selling speed to lead. One of the guys has landed like 10 clients at least right now, just helping them automate the replies to the Google reviews that come in, right? So some of these bigger companies might have 10 reviews a day, and their admin team can't get back to them and say thanks for responding. And it helps. I don't know much about that type of stuff, but I'm sure it helps the algorithm if you're responding to the reviews. And he's just built an Android that he is installing for the clients. He's charging him for the build out, and he's charging him a monthly fee for it. And they are more than happy to pay for it because it saves a lot of time and energy inside their business, right? We're also helping with database reactivation. So this is a different type of Sales Android, right? Where we can send what we call a hand raiser to get the client's prospect to respond. It could be something like, are you still looking for solar panels in August? As soon as they reply back yes, it can trigger the Android, the AI, and it can qualify and book those leads in. So that's a different type of AI that we can sell. Another student that's come in is selling kind of a live chat, right? So, those little bubbles that are on the bottom of a lot of e-com websites and stuff like that, you can integrate AI with that and train the Android with a good prompt, the chat Android with a good prompt to be able to converse with the prospect and send them to a sales page or transact a refund or, whatever that might be. And this is just kind of scratching the surface. This is just what I've seen. And it's such early days that I think it's really going to turn into something that is, for the next few years, at least something that's kind of huge, because us marketers, we're usually quite ahead of the game compared to the general public with what's available at our fingertips. And clients and, people that are running, installing swimming pools or selling car finance are just so focused on selling their product to keep it alive and working and ticking over revenue and stuff like that. They're just more than willing for us to come in and help them with that because it's way easier and cheaper than hiring kind of admin staff to do this type of stuff for them. And, who knows where those admin staff are going to go. Unfortunately, AI is coming in and they're going to replace some of these jobs, right? We hear about the banks, especially over here in the UK, that are kind of slashing their call centers, right? Because they just don't need them anymore. I suspect what's going to happen is that they're going to move these staff to do kind of more beneficial tasks within the business. I know that I would, if I had someone that's just doing, admin stuff for us, and they were good people, then there's always problems to be solved inside my business as well, right? So they'd just be moved to a different kind of role within the business. So it's really interesting to see where things are going. And I think an AI automation agency is a term that's going to be coined, relatively quickly. You're going to see more of it, and you're going to see people doing very well helping businesses with AI automation. All right, so I really hope you've enjoyed this video today. I hope it's got you thinking about how you might want to transition and what you can do to help your clients. Because that's what we do, really. It's, if we're a good agency, we want to be able to listen to our clients and hear where they're struggling and solve a problem for them. We want to be their go-to person for problem solving. And if you can do that, you're going to have clients for life. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Give us a thumbs up if you have, a comment if you've got any questions or thoughts on this topic, and subscribe to our channel, please, to be the first to hear when new videos like this come out. I'll speak to you soon.